Hey guys, Tony, how's it going? So I did want to do an updated TA. The one that I made earlier, I basically told you guys, hey, as long as we stay in this bullish channel, we're going to be completely fine. As you guys can see, we wicked basically perfectly on the top part of the bullish channel before you started any kind of retracement, right? So the good thing is the bullish channel is 100% viable, which is great. I think, like I said, I think by latest, we will see a Bitcoin to, what is it called? 66, what is it? Technically, support resistance is 66,063, right? Which would be latest, like what, November 10th by like 8 in the morning, or November 10th, like 8:12 in the morning or so, somewhere around that time. But as of right now, I mean, like I said, you did shoot up pretty hard right now. You're respecting that, you are respecting this channel right here. And I think that as of right now, Bitcoin, as long as it stays kind of respecting this area, as of right, you can probably see it dump down all the way back to, support of 63.6 maybe. But keep in mind, if it breaks up, if it goes up right here and it breaks this bullish channel, there's a good chance that it can go parabolic. So, keep in mind, this move to the upside is pretty good, right? But usually what happens when you hit that top part of the bullish channel is you end up retracing a little bit, right? So I can see it going back to possibly 63.6, or maybe something along the lines of like retouching this bottom part of the bullish channel, which is, I don't know, 64.5, somewhere around this area, right? Like, it's hard to be exact on that because it can retrace tomorrow or today or whatever. But again, I mean, if it does pop above this, and if it ends up running like here somewhere, then you can expect Bitcoin to basically go parabolic, right? If it does break this bullish channel right here. If it doesn't, which I don't think it will, I'm not saying it can't, but the probability is lower that it'll break to the upside, right? And it'll break this bullish channel, because that means that, like it'll basically skyrocket to like 70,000 or something, or I don't know, something crazy. It'll break all-time highs if it keeps running, right? But again, as soon as this bullish channel gets broken, I think it'll go parabolic. But again, most of the time that this happens, you end up wicking to the bullish channel and then retracing somewhere like around this area right here. Let me see if I can make a little square for you guys. I don't know, somewhere like, right, I'm not going to be exact here, but somewhere like in this general area, right? Somewhere where price is like around here. That's where you can kind of expect the retracement to. Again, I already posted another video where I said that if Bitcoin keeps trailing up, expect Shiba Inu to go down. Price is correlated. Not really sure how else to let you guys know. That's just how it is. So if you think that Bitcoin is going to keep going up, strongly recommend that you get out of your Shiba Inu position. If you think that Bitcoin is going to maybe retrace or come back down, get into Shiba Inu. But I think long term, as far as what can happen with Bitcoin is, you might be able to see a retracement, right? As of right now, you did close the week today, I think earlier today, like at 5 o'clock in the afternoon or something. You did close the weekend bear, right? Which essentially means that it's losing traction. But the really good thing is that, while you're creating these weak bull candles, you're running up, which is fantastic. This is an insanely huge bullish sign, right? You're basically creating weekend bull candles right here on the reverse MACD. You're closing weekend bull, but you're basically closing price at a higher and higher price, which is insanely ridiculously bullish, right? Insanely ridiculously bullish. That's I'll tell you guys that right now. You're basically crazy bullish that that we keep closing like that. So it really is just about, if and when we do end up closing a bear week, keep in mind that, last time this happened, you closed the bear week, you dropped from 53K to, 39K, which is like, it was just like a 13K difference, right? So keep that in mind. But, which is basically what happened last time, right? Last time when you were on the reverse MACD, you had a weekend candles, week bear, week closes, but you kept running up. Same thing, you kept running up. So you might be able to expect another 13K drop. Maybe, and like if you hit another like all-time high, maybe we hit an all-time high, come back down and retrace to like 57, 58K. I don't know, right? I don't know yet. I don't know how it's going to play out. But as of right now, everything and I'm 100% bullish, and that's because the monthly close bullish of October, Usually after that is you end up being Bitcoin ends up being pretty bullish for the next, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the next 4 months or so, you end up being extremely bullish. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd say that I'm exaggeratedly bullish on Bitcoin up until January. So if I think Bitcoin is going up, chances are a lot of meme coins are going to drop. And specifically Shiba Inu, because it seems to be correlated almost exactly to the T. So really your own decision. Bitcoin is probably going to keep going up. Keep in mind, like I said, if it breaks that channel right there, if you break to the upside, I think Bitcoin can go parabolic. Most of the time when this happens, you end up seeing some sort of retracement to the bottom part of the trend or the channel, which would be somewhere around here. So we'll see what happens in the next couple of hours. I'll probably wake up tomorrow and, we'll see it at I don't know, maybe 63.6 again. I have no idea what's going to happen, but it'll probably respect the bullish channel and we'll kind of go from there. So I'll see you guys later. Good night.